Traveling with kids can feel overwhelming, especially if you're trying to plan a vacation that everyone will enjoy. But with a little preparation, family vacations can be fun and stress-free. In this video, we'll share tips on how to travel with kids while keeping the whole family happy. If you're looking for ways to make family trips easier, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips on family travel. Let's get started. 1. Plan ahead and involve the kids. Planning ahead is essential when traveling with kids. The more organized you are, the smoother the trip will be. Involve your kids in the planning process, so they're excited about the trip. Let them choose some activities or places they'd like to visit, which will make them feel included. Also, research kid-friendly destinations, accommodations, and restaurants. By being prepared, you can avoid surprises and make sure everyone's needs are met during the trip. 2. Choose the right destination. Choosing the right destination is crucial for a stress-free family vacation. Look for places that offer attractions and activities for all ages, from toddlers to teens. Some destinations are more family-friendly than others, with attractions such as theme parks, nature reserves, or cultural experiences that will keep kids entertained. Consider the weather and the ease of transportation to make sure the destination is practical. Researching ahead of time will help you choose a place that the whole family will enjoy. 3. Pack smart and keep essentials accessible. Packing for kids can be a challenge, but the key is to pack smart. Make a checklist for each child to ensure you don't forget any essentials, like clothes, toiletries, snacks, and entertainment. Keep a small bag with important items like medications, wipes, and diapers within easy reach. Also, pack extra snacks and drinks to keep kids happy during long flights or car rides. Having everything organized and within reach will save you time and frustration on the road. 4. Keep kids entertained during travel. Long flights, train rides, or car trips can be difficult for kids. Bring along plenty of activities to keep them entertained. Pack books, puzzles, coloring supplies, and small toys to occupy their time. Many airlines offer in-flight entertainment, so don't forget to download their apps or bring headphones for your kids. You can also download their favorite shows or movies on a tablet or portable device. By keeping kids entertained, you can make the travel experience much more enjoyable for everyone. 5. Maintain a routine as much as possible. Kids thrive on routine, and sticking to a familiar schedule can help minimize stress. Try to keep meal times, naps, and bedtime as consistent as possible, even while on vacation. If your kids are used to taking a nap at a certain time, try to build some downtime into the schedule. If you're crossing time zones, ease the transition by adjusting your child's schedule a few days before you leave. A little consistency will help keep your kids well rested and in a good mood during your trip. 6. Choose kid-friendly accommodations. When booking accommodations, look for family-friendly hotels or vacation rentals. Some hotels offer kids clubs, babysitting services, or child-friendly amenities like pools and playgrounds. Vacation rentals can be a great option if you need more space and prefer a home-like environment. A kitchen can also make meal times easier, as you can prepare simple meals for your kids. Choose accommodations that are convenient to major attractions and have enough space to keep everyone comfortable. 7. Don't overpack your schedule. While it's tempting to fill your days with activities, it's important to leave room for relaxation. Kids can get overwhelmed if their schedule is too packed. Plan a few activities each day, but allow for downtime in between. Spend some time at the hotel pool, take a leisurely walk, or visit a local park. By keeping the pace relaxed, you'll avoid meltdowns and ensure everyone has a good time. 8. Prepare for emergencies and have a plan B. No matter how well you plan, things don't always go as expected. Always have an emergency plan in place. Make sure you have access to local medical facilities and know where the nearest pharmacy is. It's also a good idea to have a list of important phone numbers, such as the local embassy, travel insurance, and any contacts you may need. Traveling with kids doesn't have to be stressful. With the right planning, preparation, and mindset, you can have a fantastic family vacation. From involving your kids in the planning process to choosing the right accommodations, every detail makes a difference. Remember to pack smart, stay flexible, And most importantly, enjoy the moments with your family. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more family travel advice. Safe travels, and we hope your next vacation is full of fun and unforgettable memories.